Welcome to Jebb Adams Sewing. Welcome to Jebb Adams. I'm glad you are here. Here's my world. A serger, some sewing machines back there, and some of my sewing machine and serger tools. The tools of my crafts. Here are the sewing scissors. On the left of the screen, we have the 12-inch TAILOR'S shears. In the middle, we have the 9-inch scissors. And on the right, we have the 6-inch scissors. You can see the word Singer. I don't know what brand those are, but they're extremely nice tools. So I wanted you to have a look at those and see how I'm able to cut things and not things, but cloth. These are for cloth. I do not cut paper with these, and I do not cut unimportant, frivolous cloth. The scissors, the shears, the 12-inch shears cost me about $75 Canadian. The middle ones, they were about $45, $50 Canadian. And these ones came with a sewing machine, a Singer 411G that I bought about 3 or 4 years ago off of Kijiji. So I really didn't have to pay anything outright for these ones because they're included in the $25 Canadian that I spent for a Singer 411G and the case and all the original accessories and extras. So my total investment is barely just over $100 for these two scissors. So what do I use for cutting the non-prime cloth? What I use is those shears, and they are dollar store shears. They cost me $6 Canadian, and they are not, and that's what I use for cloth that is not prime. I would use these for if I had some muslin and I was making a pair of jeans or parts of a pair of jeans out of muslin, which I will be doing soon, because that is also what I have learned as a new sewer, that I should construct my jeans out of muslin first before I venture into a full pair of denim jeans. So I just wanted to say hello. It's the day after Christmas 2024 and show you some of my scissors. Now, as far as cutters go, a really effective cutter that I also recently acquired is the electric scissors. And they are noisy, but they are very effective. And I don't use them all that often. So there you have it, a short video on some really great TAILOR'S shears. I'm going to scan up, and there we see the serger and some machines in the background and a light. But the next video that you're going to see here after this one, probably quite soon, is going to be me cutting the threads. And the way the serger is set up now, it's only for 3 threads and 1 needle. So in the next video, I'm going to put in the second needle, the left side needle, which is the B needle. The needles are marked A for the right side needle and B for the left side needle. So I'm going to install the left side needle, and then I'm going to install all of the threads, all 4 threads. And as we may know, if we've watched Jebb Adams sewing videos or Jebb Adams videos, if one thread on the serger has to be rethreaded, then the rule or the principle is that all of the threads have to be rethreaded. So I'm going to cut all the threads. I will install the left-hand needle in the next video, and then I will rethread it. Have a nice day. Thanks for stopping in. If you like these kind of videos, then like them. If you would like to see more like this, then subscribe. You know what? Have a great day. The new year is coming. Have fun. Stay safe. Chat later. Adios for now, amigos.